Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to see who visits your Instagram profile. If you're using Instagram and you want to see that who has visited your Instagram profile, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to open your Instagram app and here just tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Here just tap on three horizontal lines in the top right corner, and here first of all you must have to switch to a professional account, so go for your search account type and tools section. Here's that, just tap on that option, then tap on switch to professional account, then tap on next, and here select which what described you best. And I'm going to select for example this one. Just tap on switch to professional account. Once you have switched to a professional account, you can easily see that who has visited your profile. Just refresh your page and here you will get a professional dashboard. Once you have completely created a professional account, and here you must have to select professional dashboard, and here you will get different options. It might be views, interactions, new followers, and much more. So here just tap on views and you'll get that was viewed your profile. As I have no anyone, so there's a zero views. So that's how you can easily see who's just your profile. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.